When it comes to the kind of education women should receive, I believe it should be the same as men. Women should also receive the same education as men in the sense of rational and intellectual education. Women should get education needed for them to be able to be more independent and start thinking rationally instead of limiting women so that they can become more like dolls. Like I said, taught from their infancies that beauty is a woman's scepter, the mind shapes itself to the body, and roaming round its guilt change only seeks the door in its prison. I believe that through education, women can be more than housewives, but they can become more of an equal partners to men and be able to more of a capable mother. The nature of women and men is that they are equal in the sense of logical thinking. Even though may have more of a physical strength, men and women are equals when it comes to making judgments and logical thinking. Society and poor education has made the ideal that men are more superior because of their physical strength, but that is not the case. I do not wish for men to have power over women to have power over men, but over themselves. We have the same morals as men. Women should be able and have the ability to know right from wrong and make their own important choices. There should be no differences that should exist between men and women's education. Both men and women should be able to receive the same education where they are both able to learn and know the strengths of their reasoning and be able to get their independence. The perfect education is such an exercise of the understanding and it's best calculated to strengthen the body and the form of the heart. All of this can be justified because I was able to go with reasoning, experience, and the ideas of the Enlightenment philosophy. I was able to observe the women's weakness and their self admiration because of the lack of education and the social conditioning. Let it not be concluded that I wish to invert in order of things. I have already granted that from the constitution of their bodies, men seem to be designed by providence to attain greater degree of virtue. I speak collectively, but I see not the shadow of the reason to conclude that their virtue should be differ to respect their nature. I have also stated that society has valued surface over substance when it comes to women. I just want to justify that women are capable of drawing their own reasoning and rights when it comes to proper when they get the proper education. I want women to have the same equality as men.